G'day gang, well we're back at Winton today to take the Nug out for a spin, and we've got a very special guest here. We have Jude, who's going to go out and track for the first time in a race car. Very first time, yeah?
Yes.
Excellent, excellent. And your birthday's coming up next week.
Yes.
Excellent, well happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
There we go. Hey, it's Tara, hey Tara.
Hi.
Do you mind if I ask how old you're turning?
77.
77, so just over 21.
Yes.
Yeah. Another 21st. That's awesome. So we're going to, as I said, Jude's always wanted to go out on track, so we're going to take her for a spin in the Nug, and hopefully that's tick something off the bucket list, huh? That's awesome.
That's the first thing I've ever had on the bucket list.
Well, there we go. We're ticking the first thing off the bucket list. That's awesome. We'll look after you today, I promise. It'll be good. We'll get you all strapped in and we'll take it ezy, and then if you give me a thumbs up, we'll go a bit harder, okay? Awesome. All right, thanks, Jude. Well, we'll have a look around, see who else is here, and then go for a spin. It's tight to get in.
You're only a skinny fella.
Good.
My youngest son's nephew.
Oh, it must be good. Right, have we got the camera on there, Jude? Alrighty. So Jude's going out for her very first time in a race car.
Yeah.
We're gonna have some fun with it. So we'll be going for a cruise because a bit of rain, so.
I think there's more rat bags on the roads than what there is on the racetrack.
Oh, 100%, absolutely. Righty guys. Nah, we're all good. Look at this, we're on a racetrack, it's awesome. Alrighty, so we took Jude for a spin. It wasn't the greatest session, but I think she said she's had enough for today. But we've got Barb here, and Jude's best friend?
Yep.
Jude's best friend? Pretty keen to come out for a spin, huh?
I'm looking forward to it.
Barb is Justin's mum.
Yep.
And Justin, we all know Justin from Nugs and everything like that, and he's got his beautiful new old Corolla here, which is fantastic. This thing's a bit of a beast, got a cool cage in it and everything. Let's have a bit of a poke. It's a sick car. So it's very cool. So yeah, Barb, we'll go for a spin, huh?
Yes,
see how we go.
Yes, please.
Much excited.
I'm looking forward to it.
Do it.
Yep.
All right, Bob's first time on the racetrack.
Yep. worth it.
Good, I'm glad you enjoyed yourself.
Absolutely brilliant. We're having our wine down there, Barbie. Oh, I have loved that. That has been so much fun. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And we got past my little car.
You actually did pretty good. You've got a 149.1.
Yeah.
My personal best is a 46.9, so
Oh,
we're only 2 seconds off the pace with the passenger.
yeah, extra weight in the car.
Yeah, oh look, you always lose a few seconds with passenger, so that's pretty
Yep.
good.
Yep. Oh, that's good. I didn't slow you down that
No,
much.
not at all.
Good.
All right, how we go? You have fun?
I had an awesome time.
That's good.
Fantastic.
Yeah, pretty fun. We got a lot of grip out there. We actually got a 149.1, so that was the fastest I've had with passenger in the car. And
Wow.
that was good. So yeah, we had fun. You were brave. It's good. Loved
Oh, I don't know about being brave. I was
Right.
looking forward to it. I wasn't nervous.
it. No, that was cool.
I was
It's
really
awesome.
looking forward to it.
Oh, good. I'm glad I give you a bit of a boot round a track. First time on a racetrack?
Yes.
That's
First
great.
time in a race car.
Oh, there you go. It's only a little race car, but yeah, it's got all the
Oh,
stuff
but
in it. So.
it's awesome.
Yeah,
I loved
They
it.
corner pretty quick, don't they? And the brakes are pretty strong.
Yep.
And yeah, it's
And
good.
if you're back here again and doing passengers, I want to come back
Yeah,
and
come
have
along. We'll go for
another
another
go.
run.
Yep.
That's sweet. Well, thanks, Barb.
Beautiful.
All
Thank
right, we're going to
you.
go out for another run.
Okay.
Well, Winton can't decide what to do today. It's now raining again. It's going sunny rain, sunny rain. There's people, oh geez, there's people going off everywhere. It's getting a bit exciting. Hopefully it dries up for our session. Cool, well we're all finished. The Nugs packed up on the trailer, still running purring like a kitten. It's running great. Last 2 sessions were fantastic. The track ripped up and I started to get my myself together, and we ended up getting a PB and then did another PB. So I ended up with a 1:46.2, which I'm pretty happy about. I'm still not as fast as them other Excel boys and girls, but I'm happy with that for myself. And I think we're almost ready for this guy to go racing. So I'm trying to get everything finalised and hopefully be back here at the end of the month to actually race. So that'll be a bit exciting. A couple of things I forgot to mention is these wheels are actually a loaner set for my friend Adam Macro, which I'm really thankful for. That was awesome. Thanks, Ads. My front tyres were bald and no one was selling tyres in Victoria at the moment. Like, they're all sold out. So he saved me there. Now I want to buy these wheels off him. So come on, Ads. Come on, sell them. They look so good. Everyone in the video, comment down below and tell me how good the wheels look on the car, and hopefully Ads will sell them to me. What else? We took Jude and Barb for a ride, which was awesome. It was really cool to do because they'd never been on a racetrack, and it was such a cool thing to do. So I was pretty excited about that, and they loved it, so that was awesome. And yeah, we had a good day. The last thing I did, I've locked my car. If we have a look inside, I've extended out my steering hub. So I was told that my steering was a little far away from me, so I had a short hub and I've extended it out and put a long hub on there, and the car felt so much better. I had so much more control. So thank you to Paul and Dean for sending me a message. I mean, I very much trust your boys' opinions, so if you say do it, I'm going to do it. And it definitely made a difference, so good. Now it's a long weekend, so we're going to go battle the traffic back to Melbourne. Brad and I are going to go get some KFC. Thanks for coming, Brad. It's always nice to have mates at racetracks. Thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully the next couple of videos will be preparing for racing. Scary. All right, see you next one.